Hey, just got these in. These are new floor registers. These are the vents for your heater and air conditioning. These ones go right into the floor. I have them here in black. Very well made. Here's your little dial to open and close. Works very easy. They come in different sizes. You want to make sure you want to measure first. This is a 4x10. These are so easy to install. Let me show you how. As you can see here, my old floor register, little dent up, not looking that great anymore. This is how easy it is to actually change it. These just lift right out. That is it. I'm done. It's that simple. Look how much better that looks. Even if your flooring has carpet, these floor registers slide out and the new ones pop in that easy. So if you're looking to upgrade your floor registers, the heat vents in your house, these floor models here are really well made, very nice material, very nice and strong. They look great, as you can see, and I highly recommend these.